Hi, my name is Rachel Kadoya. I'm co-owner of Soichi Sushi. I've been using Easy Solar for many years for a lot of projects that I've done in the past. My church got solar put on by Easy Solar, and my brother got solar. I'm doing solar at one of my houses, and I really trust Sky and Easy Solar. Salespeople are knowledgeable. The project managers keep me informed. They all work with integrity and skill. I really appreciate having a company that I can kind of just let go and let them do their job, and I don't have to worry about it. At Easy Solar, I know that all of the staff put a lot of care into everything that goes into the project, from the start to the finish. The attention to detail, making sure everything is done properly, making sure that everyone is up to date on what's going on. It really helps me not worry. Just like when we have a customer coming into our restaurant, we like to make them feel like they're coming to our home. We want to give them an experience like no other. That includes, educating them, from the sake to the food. Every bite, we explain to them what they're eating and how it's prepared. I feel like that's the right way to do business. It's really important to me to make sure that we know that our customers as well. It's important to the chef to know who he's serving, what they like, what they want, what they expect, and we want to make the best experience possible for the customer from start to finish. So when I'm dealing with other companies and I'm doing business for myself out in town, and I'm hiring a company to do something for me, that's what I expect. I expect the highest quality, a personal touch, and that's what I find I get from Easy Solar. That's why I keep coming back. Easy Solar has a passion for renewable energy and making sure that things are done right.